The 2014 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear-view mirror, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, engine immobilizer, body color door handles, roof rack, low tire pressure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Davidson, Gebhardt, Chevrolet, and Subaru of Loveland are conveniently located right on I-25 and exit 259 in Loveland.